Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at these BUTFULAKE, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, pro gaming headset. This is the SL-100, and this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this review, and they're not reviewing what I say before I post it. But if you would like to buy one of these, I'll put a link in the description on Amazon. If you use that link, it helps me out a little bit. It doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is a pro gaming headset. It has USB interface, glittering. Now it doesn't have USB audio, that's for the lighting on it. It has glittering, I'm not sure what that is, but it has deep bass, 120-degree adjustable microphone, soft leather ear pads, and easy volume adjust. So right off the bat, one thing I was pretty happy about is this just had a label on it, so it wasn't packaged in like 12 different boxes. That's pretty nice. So we have two colors here. We have the blue and the red. Here we have specifications. It says the driver unit is 50 millimeters. Frequency response is 20 to 20K. Sensitivity is 115 plus or minus 3 dB. Microphone type is omnidirectional. Sensitivity is minus 38 plus or minus 3 dB. Size is 6 by 2.7 millimeters. Microphone impedance is less than or equal to 2.2K ohms. Interface is USB plus 3.5 millimeters. And cable length is 2.1 meters. The OS support is Windows, XP, or newer. And this is just a little warning about using headphones. Open this up. Okay, there's the packaging. Okay, so the manual kind of shows the different parts here. Has some specs in it. And then it has multiple languages there. So here's the cable. It comes with a Velcro thing. Let's see if that's captive. Yeah, that's captive. So it has Velcro on it that stays on the cable. Got the USB. And then the cord here has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 conductors on it. So this is for your stereo microphone and then your ground. And then it comes with this adapter here that you could plug in. And this allows you to plug into a separate headphone and microphone. So this is headphone here. It's kind of hard to show the little icon on camera. And then this is microphone. Let me see if I can. Maybe you can kind of see that. It's hard to say. So then here we have the headset. So the cable comes down one side. This is the microphone. It flips up out of the way. These slide down for adjustment. So I'll plug this into a battery pack for convenience. Typically you'd plug it into your computer. There we go. And that turns the lights on there. Let's see if I can kill the light there. There we go. Okay, so now we can see it. We have the logo and that little stripe. Same thing on this side, and there's a little light by the microphone. And here we have on, off switch, and then a volume knob. So I'm going to plug this into my iPad for a test. So I shouldn't need this. You'd think I'd never plugged a headphone in here. There we go. Okay, so I have a game loaded up. So I have a volume slider here, and this turns the microphone on and off. I'm going to try plugging this into my camera here and see if I can capture the audio from this device. Okay, so this is test audio from the headset itself. And this is omnidirectional, so it should pick up other noises, like if I'm clapping my hands, you should hear that. Okay, now I'll switch back to the other mic. So devices that, like iPads, iPhone, Android, things like that, where you can plug in one plug and use the microphone and the headphones, you'd use this. And then for like your standard PC, you would use this to go into the microphone and headphone if it has 2 ports, like on an audio card or something. Okay, so I'm going to swap the camera to selfie mode, and then I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so here's the headset. I guess I could plug the USB in. It's probably hard to see the glowing on here. So this will flip up out of the way and flip down. Here you go. This is adjustable. This fits pretty firm against my head. And it's soft on top. I've had some headsets that'll press down on my top of my head here, and it's kind of uncomfortable. That's pretty good. And then the cord comes down the one side, and then there's about maybe 16 inches between the cord and the volume control there. So switch back to the other way. So if we look a little closer here, there's some metal in here. Metal here. This is very soft. It feels kind of like a memory foam kind of a thing. Same here on the ear pads. This is solid in here. And this blue part's kind of solid. The cord is has like a woven, like nylon kind of a rope around it. So it feels pretty tough. I mean, that feels incredibly tough. Here's the microphone up close. Get that to focus. Okay, so that's the BUTFULAKE SL-100 Pro Gaming headset. If you have any questions about this, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.